This is Under the Rare Microscope, where we use our big brains and ask, yeah, but what does science actually say about that? Today we're talking about something that might break your brain a little bit. Women with XY chromosomes. It might sound impossible, but that's probably because you've been drinking the orange-flavored Kool-Aid. Stick around though, because once you see the science, you're never going to look at biological sex the same. All right, quick refresher. Before an embryo develops male or female traits, it's just chilling, waiting for instructions. And the body, well, it's looking for a tiny little gene called the SRY gene, normally found on the Y chromosome. Remember, it's on the Y because males are XY chromosome only. If the SRY gene is there, then the body makes testosterone, which leads to male traits developing. But if that SRY gene is either missing or broken, the body just defaults to female traits. And again, I said default. That SRY gene can be missing, it can be broken, or it can be on a different chromosome altogether. Meaning chromosomes alone don't determine sex. So how do you get biological woman with XY chromosomes? 1, testosterone isn't getting the message. Some people with XY chromosomes don't respond to testosterone at all. Their body will ignore it like a spam email. This is called androgen, or male hormone, insensitivity, because it doesn't care, syndrome. In other words, no testosterone effect, female development. Others have Swyer syndrome, where the SRY gene is missing or broken, so testosterone doesn't even ever get made. So no testosterone, but this person's still XY. So remember, sometimes that SRY gene is missing or broken, but sometimes, like in De La Chapelle syndrome, it can just be in the wrong place. So only males are supposed to create the SRY gene and then testosterone and then male traits, but if you have any of these situations, then you're still going to have the SRY gene. It's just going to be on the X chromosome. And that flips the script on development as a whole. If SRY never gets delivered, the body defaults to female, but the chromosomes are still XY. And if it lands somewhere weird, development can go somewhere in between. Another way that this can happen is that the body starts one way and changes later. Yeah, that happens. Some people can have what's called 5-alpha reductase deficiency, or 5-ARD. Now, these people are born looking female because their bodies aren't yet producing testosterone. But then when puberty hits, testosterone kicks in and their body shifts towards male traits. Imagine experiencing 2 puberty pathways. Wait, so if biological women can have an XY chromosome, what actually defines sex? The truth is, no matter what you've heard, you can ignore gender all you want. But sex? It's not binary either. I'm not just like woke or, trying to come up with some information. This is real and it always has been. The human body is messy and science just explains the chaos. So let me know, did you already know this or did I just give your brain a firmware update? Let's talk in the comments because I really want to know what you think. I just hope that you engage from the bottom up. A like would be great, a follow would be better, and as always, stay rare.